Why has khal baqalqain?
Why?
Sweet as lacht is quist.
Islach is quist tsaris. Sweet aslach is quist.
Is lacht khonam is quist.
Oh, hast.
Sweet and chamin is quist.
In Gemini is quist mat Trump.
Kewa.
Sweet and Gemini is quist.
Tchaitlanwe nech Trump in chamin. Mat e chamintet.
Oh, why no?
Mat kimstem e Trump, ah.
Why mat?
Oh, gas. Why no is that weekend slag?
Hey, why?
Why? Why has halhalti pesnak seluch is quest qoyaqayachen. Achai Knxcutens and Knx. Hello, good day, my relatives. My name is Levi Bent, and this is the help tutorial for Book 1. Today's lesson is 37, Skailuch, people. Let's get right into it. Ho hoi, kuen chao chint. Skaltemich. Skaltemich. Tkathlemiluch. Tkathlemiluch. Tatuit. Tatuit. Knxcutens. Knxcutens. Stakmich. Stakmich. Teik. Teik. Ochtilat. Ochtilat. Ochtilt. Ochtilt. Slacht. Slacht. Chamin. Chamin. Knxcutens. Knxcutens. Why has this kolam pipiyayat utlapna chhoiwi atzent achai splimchin. Skaltemich. Skaltemich. Tkathlemiluch. Tkathlemiluch. Tatuit. Tatuit. Knxcutens. Knxcutens. Stakmich. Stakmich. Teik. Teik. Ochtilat. Ochtilat. Ochtilt. Ochtilt. Slacht. Slacht. Chamin. Chamin. Knxcutens. Knxcutens. Tali has this kolam piyayat utlapna pikskin hitam. Good job, y'all. Now I'm going to give you a couple hints. So in this lesson, it's just about people. Skaltemich. Now you can put a possessive marker on that word. Skaltemich. We drop the N because the word starts with an S. Now if I were to say in tkathlemiluch, you can hear the N. In tkathlemiluch. Anytime a word starts with an S or a slurpy L, you drop the N. And that could be go for anui, nich. As kaltamich, your man. An tekatlamiluch. You hear the N on that one. So remember with the pronoun markers for possessive. The possessives, if the word starts with an S or a slurpy L, drop the N. Alrighty, that's all I have for you today. White Ninuis et Wickelman.